For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Swapna Suresh, the gold girl in Kerala's gold scandal, has now applied for an anticipatory bail. The Customs Department is yet to interrogate Swapna Suresh in the gold smuggling case. Swapna Suresh has accused the UAE Consulate Office for involving her in the retrieval of the consular baggage that had the gold stash. The gold weighing 30 kilograms, which was seized on Sunday, is worth almost 15 crore rupees. In the bail petition, Swapna claimed that she had no role to play in the scandal. She claimed that she only made a phone call to the Assistant Commissioner of the Customs. She further added that she called them on the direction of the Acting Consular General of the UAE Consulate in Thiruvananthapuram, Rashid Khasmi Ali Musakhri Al Ashmiya. Swapna Suresh has been booked under the provisions of the Customs Act 1962, Sections 104(6)(c) and 135. According to the anticipatory bail plea, though Swapna resigned from the consulate in September 2019, she claimed that she had been working with the consulate on work on request basis. Swapna also alleged she was recently engaged as the secretary under work on request basis by the consulate for COVID-19 awareness programs. Rashid Khasmi Al Musakhri Al Ashmiya allegedly asked her to check with the customs about the delay in his consignment. On July 1st, the Assistant Commissioner of Customs contacted the Acting Consular General through an email requesting him to verify the consular cargo. Swapna has stressed in her bail plea that her involvement in the whole incident was just to contact the customs. She claimed that she did so on the direction of the Consulate General as part of her duty as secretary under work on request. In the bail plea, she also accused the media for spreading wrong information. It is also said that Swapna is willing to cooperate with the investigation by the Customs Department. Meanwhile, leaders continued politicking over the scandal. Union Minister of State for External Affairs Muralidharan told the media in Delhi that the centre views this gold smuggling case very seriously. He also added that Pinarayi Vijayan can't wash his hands off from the scandal. All those involved in this smuggling will be brought to book. Various central agencies are seized of this case and are doing their work. I will not be in a position to say if this agency or that agency is looking into it. What's most surprising is that Pinarayi says the state government has nothing to do with it. He just cannot wash his hands off. Well, on one hand, the Kerala government has come under the fire of the BJP, and on the other hand, Swapna is willing to cooperate with the authorities.